Hey guys, Steve Maxwell again with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sandpiper Luxury 391 FLRV. Let's go take a look. This Sandpiper is going to come with your standard Rhino box pin box. It's going to be pretty easy for you to find a hitch that's going to work for it. Also, you have these nice blue docking lights all on the front cap. Entry on the door side that is going to house both propane tanks. Over here it is going to have a drawer for you to be able to pull both of those 32-pound tanks out. The door for our pass-through storage with its motion-activated lighting. The mounting bracket for your spare tire in there, as well as hookups for TVs and power outlets for outside. More household plugs along with your spray port that's going to be equivalent to your household water hose. Moving along the side, we do have the 4-step step above steps that are going to be really nice, easy to set up, easy to get going, and easy to use. On the door of this Sandpiper, you are going to have the step above 4-step system, going to be really easy to use. You also have your enlarged grab handle here, makes it a little bit better for entering the camper. As usual, this Sandpiper is going to feature the 12-volt awning by Solaire. Does have the auto dump feature for rain. We are going to have a large outdoor kitchen with GFCI plugs, 2 light switches for your white lights and accent lights, plumbed sink, and mini fridge. 2 waterproof speakers right next to your outdoor kitchen, and a little bit further back, this is going to be a really large storage area in this Sandpiper. You have 3 doors here in the back that access a large bed area that's going to give you a little bit more depth for all the storage you're going to need. This Sandpiper is also going to come with rear camera prep in the back. It can be installed easily at the dealership. It's a Furrion brand. This camper specifically also has 2 mounting brackets for side cameras up front. And my personal favorite feature on this Sandpiper, it is going to have a very large MoRide bed in here that does extend out, give you plenty of secure storage for all your luggage. You don't have to put it in the camper, let it roll around going down the road. You know exactly where it is when you put it in here. Propane and electric 10-gallon hot water heater for the Sandpiper, going to give you plenty of water for those showers. Moving back here, you do have your water closet that has all your controls for water, as well as your outdoor shower and water filter access. Battery cutoff, that's going to be 1 switch. You can kill all power to the camper if needed. Your auto level panel. So that's going to make it really easy to get set up. You're not going to have to sit there, spend a lot of time leveling your camper. You can press 1 button, sit back, relax, get ready to go camping. Now that we've seen the outside, let's go take a look at the inside of this Sandpiper Luxury. Right inside the door, you are going to walk into the kitchen, and in this nook area, you are going to have access to your main control panel. It is going to have motion activated lighting on it, so you can activate all your lights, all of your heaters and pumps, as well as your slides and awnings from one area. The kitchen in this Sandpiper is going to have a really nice residential feel. You're going to have a very large GE residential fridge, as well as a full-size residential stove and oven that are going to run on propane. Your microwave up top is also a GE product. It's going to have full warranty on it, stainless steel, easy to use. Countertop space in the Sandpiper is going to be the solid surface countertops, very resilient, very hard to break, very hard to stain. And the sink in this kitchen, again, is going to be a large, deep basin stainless steel sink. It's going to be really easy to be washing dishes, prep whatever meals you're going to need it for. This model is going to have something not many RVs have, and that is going to be a half bath. So any guests that you have here, if you don't want them going all the way through your bedroom to use the restroom, they have their own restroom right here. The dining area in this Sandpiper is going to have a nice 4-seater residential table. It's going to have the whitewash finish on the table with the white plush seat with the dark hardwood furniture. So another very nice feature of this Sandpiper is it is a front living model, so that gives you a completely separate area for couches, lounging, watching TV. Both of these couches on both sides of the living room are going to be pull-out sofas. So if you need a whole new area for sleeping, you have plenty of space for that. This TV is going to be on a televator, so there is a full-size window behind it. If you're out at a destination that you really want to see the views, this TV does come down by the flip of a switch and gives you a nice view to the exterior. Below that, we are going to have the Connect radio with the sound bar. and underneath that you're gonna have your Greystone electric fireplace. Opposite of the entertainment center, we are gonna have 2 recliners that do offer the accent lights from Thomas Paine. The bedroom in this Sandpiper is gonna offer a large king bed. It's gonna give you plenty of space for sleeping. This RV does have its own thermostated AC in the bedroom, so you can control the temperature in the bedroom away from everyone else in the family. And opposite of the bed, we are going to have a Connect TV already put in place on this Sandpiper with storage on either side. So in this Sandpiper, you did see we have a half bath, so that leaves the master bath for us to take a look at. Let's go see what it has to offer. Bathroom on this Sandpiper is going to be very large and has a nice residential feel. You do have a double countertop with dual sinks for his and hers, a little bit of extra storage on the side, as well as cabinets underneath the countertop. You are going to have a residential feeling Dometic toilet. That is going to be a porcelain toilet, going to be really easy to clean, easy to maintain. You're going to have a large sliding glass door shower in this Sandpiper that also does have a seating area. The plastic liner on the shower does resemble marble and has a really nice look to it. Right next to the shower, this camper is also going to have washer dryer pre-installed. Thank you all for watching. Again, my name is Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV. This has been the Sandpiper 391 FLRV. If y'all have any other RVs y'all want to see, please comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget the fun starts here.